Hi everyone, Mark here of Engine Apparatus. First in the industry, because that's what we like to be, right? SAM on a Ram. First one that you see, we build it, and we build it very well. So this is a brand new Ram 5500 with the Cummins diesel in it, lifted in our Blizzard mini pumper style truck. We want to thank White Mills out of Pennsylvania. We also want to thank Glick for being the dealer for the connection and the relationship with the customer. In the front of the vehicle, we have a buck stop bumper, which has wheel and warning lights in it. A wheel and warning light here on the side as well for intersection lights. Like I mentioned, this vehicle has a super single lift on it from buck stop. We have a Liberty bar up top. Right now we are in the park position, slider position 3, with the FireTech brow light mounted underneath the light bar. Our graphics were done in-house right here at Market Graphics. The running boards are made right here at Engine Apparatus as well. These running boards feature PPC coating, Premier Protective Coating, which has a UV protecting on it so they can be cleaned easily and look like this in years to come. We have T-ions along the running boards as well. We come to the SAM pump module. The SAM pump module is electronically controlled. You can actually have gloves on this to use this. One of the key features that I like personally with this is you can operate the pump on either side of the truck. So instead of standing maybe in traffic on this side, you can go to the other side. You pull up to a fire, you're usually never on the right side to be able to see what's going on. Now you can be. You can go to the other side of the truck. There's a lot of pre-configurations that you can set up in this SAM module as well, with dragging and dropping. I know there's a lot of controversy with this system or with systems of this nature. And if you have electronic valves on your fire truck, it's the same electronic valve that's on your truck with electronic valve that's on the SAM. If something were to fail, something were to change or doesn't work, you can always open up the panel, right like an electronic valve, and you can manually turn. If you have the knobs on the valves themselves, you can manually turn the valves. So it is newer, but there is a lot of uptick to having SAM, whether it's on a Ram or on a Ford. Low manpower is one of those as well. Like I said, operating on both sides as well. And you can do presets. You know, you can get on scene and automatically drag a valve over or drag a button over, and you can turn tank to pump on and automatically charge a cross sleigh as well. And there are also nozzles that you can control the system as well. So we're excited to be able to build the first SAM on a Ram with hail, and I think it turned out really good. It looks really, really nice and works really well. As we come around to the side here, some more, we have Amdor roll-up doors painted with black trims. Super nice look. The striping laid out. We do have a deck gun up top, which is controlled right here by this panel, by this remote control panel. The pump is a 1500 GPM pump. The truck has 300 gallons of water. A lot of people will say, well, you're going to burn the 300 gallons of water quick. The 300 gallons of water is going to be more made for a brush, a car fire knock or something like that. These trucks are made for low manpower, tight areas, get equipment there. Younger generations feel more comfortable driving a truck this size than your large fire apparatus. And if you lay 5-inch or 4-inch to this, it can do the same as that $1.2, $3, $4 million fire engine. You know, 1500 GPM pump, we can run a tower with this, you know, without a problem, and hand lines off of it. So that's why these trucks are becoming more and more popular in today's world, because of manpower issues. We have mounting on the back walls. We have pull-out, drop-down trays. These are bottle holders. People use these for very different things, whether it's an extinguisher, extra bottles, flares, whatever that might be. We have a pull-out board system here. customer opted for gray interior PPC coating. We have black on the rub rails. Come around to the back of the vehicle. We have different configurations that you can do on the back. This one, I personally do like it. It is a roll-up door with a discharge here in the back. We can do hose rails here in the back as well. We can also do a barn door in the back. We've done barn doors with or slam doors with ladder storages. There's different configurations that we can do here in the back of these trucks. Hose bed up top, custom hose cover by DNS Covers with their abbreviations in it. We also have on this some extra storage on the very top. So since this customer wanted the roll-up door and extra storage in here, we didn't put the ladder storage in here. We put the ladder storage up on top, and then we also have their extra hard tube suctions there because they do have 2 bottle openings or hard suction tubes here. Flip down steps for easy access, all in an NFPA compliant, with also a flip down step here from Zyco. Take you on the inside. So the rear of the truck has 2 Bostrom air pack seats with our full console that goes the whole way to the rear. This is a very popular configuration with us. 4-seat truck gives you the capability for other mounting, ticks, flashlights, radios, etc. Mount nice there in the center console. If you look at the inside, you also see the configuration of the light controller, the customer supplied radio as well. And the light controller is all set on purpose, so if they ever want to put an iPad mount or something up there, computer mount, the controller is not covered. So again, thanks to White Males and Glick, we're ecstatic to build the first SAM on a Ram, and we hope you enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, let us know. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about your next vehicle project.